Hey guys! It's your chubby boy Tom Snapper here today. And today, I'm going to be opening up about something. Something we really need to talk about. I'm eating right now, so excuse me. And also, I do have a bit of a groggy voice because I do have a bit of a cold. And a sore throat. So, if any doctors are watching, no, I don't have the virus. Man, these pita breads taste lovely. So, we're opening up about my time at college today, which was, and this is going to shock you, but I'm still at college because I will be doing a course that will help me make better videos. Man, these hairs are pretty mental, and they're just growing out because of autism. So, enough faffing on, let's get to it. I was at college between September 2020 and June 2021. The very end of June, 1st of July was there precisely left for the year. I was on a cooking course. It was a level 1 cooking course. Apologies if you're all grossed out by the bubble blowing. I do have a habit of doing that sometimes. Back to the thing. There were two tutors. There's one who I'll go for a first initial J, and the other C. C was slightly nicer, but J, she was a right knob. She was annoying and bitchy the whole time. I'm not saying my tutors are bitches, is a bitch, but I'm saying this because she did not really like me, my behaviour. So, day one, I pull up into the college, Mum was dragging me in. And I was sat down, ready for an induction. We went through the rules and regulations. And then after that, we went to cook. The Wednesday, we cooked in the morning, did some more induction in the afternoon. And apologies for the burp. Bless you, Tom. Bless you. And I had a bit of a cough coming on. So I'm going to explain this. So, we sat down, there was 8 people in the group. There was a guy on crutches, we named Dick Insect. There was another guy with autism, just like me, we called him Rain Man, just like the film. We had one named Little E, we had one named Stutter, and everyone else we called them by their initials. So CG and GC. Who I'm going to give a shout out to. Her name is Grace Curtis. Shout out to you. You're a legend. So, I was in college for about 2 terms, where I'd refer back to my fake story time. Then we went and had Christmas break. After a Christmas meal, and all of a sudden we went into lockdown. Not just to mention, lockdown 2 was during November. We were at home for a couple of months, and we went back. Everyone chose to test, and I did a TikTok announcing my intention not to test. So, what I did was I went in, made some cakes and all that. On my last day, I made a cake and all that. And some other stuff happened. You can refer to one of my videos. Then in my 3rd term, I had some quite crazy days. First half we wore maths. Second half, there was this girl, Tilly, who was in hairdressing. She had a crush on me. I loved her too. So if you're watching this, shout out to you, my love. Habibi. Anyway, back to the video. I had 2 nervous breakdowns, both referring to my videos like that. And finally, last Thursday, I finished that course. And if I was to give a course a rating, 1 out of 10. So that's the end of my reflection of my time doing cooking. I'll see you soon. Take care.